Hey folks, Jebediah Stewart here with RK. I'm the chef up in the Seattle area, and today I'm doing my second installment for our recipes this week. This is a vegan tuna substitute. It's not anything super uncommon. I make it at the house all the time for the fam. The kids like it. It's good with protein. It's a great flavor, and it's something that is fairly easy to prep. Now I'm making a fairly reasonably sized batch here. Probably get about 6 or 7 sandwiches out of this by the time that I'm done. So the reason that I'm mashing some of these right now is just to give a little bit of binder to the mix. I actually like the whole chickpeas in there. I feel that they give a good consistency, a nice bite, kind of al dente bite to the mix when it's there. But you do want a little bit of a binder in there. So give it a mash with a large spoon, or if you've got a potato masher,